Everybody, it's Andrea from A Beautiful Hot Mess. How's it going? Now, just time for my second video. Hope you watched the first one. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications for my next videos and you will always be in the know. Anyways, so this one's just going to be a quick one. On my Instagram personal page, I posted this product. I've posted it a couple times because I always get people asking me about it, and it's a vitamin that I use for hair growth. And sure you've heard about it before, but it's called biotin for those of you who have not heard about it. And I really think my hair grows, but I felt like it had been stuck at the same place. And I feel like, and I've been taking it for about, I think a year, 2 years, maybe 2 years. Yes, I think 16, 17, yeah, just over 2 years religiously every day. And I just have found that the texture of my hair has changed and it's definitely has grown as well. But anyways, I'm going to show it to you first so you know what I'm talking about. But it's as I said, it's biotin. Here's the bottle, okay? I get it from Amazon. You can get biotin anywhere, and you don't have to get this particular brand, which is called Sun Nutrition, SBR Nutrition. Let me just put the glasses on and stop trying to fake it. SBR Nutrition. And I like this because it tastes like vanilla. You put half a dropper every day. You can put it in a smoothie, whatever, but I just I just prefer the direct contact and just put it right in my mouth. Done. You're supposed to shake it well as well. And sometimes I do and sometimes I don't, just whatever. But anyways, it's good for your nails, good for hair, good for skin. Really like biotin. I think it's really helped aid my hair growth. And even the quality, like I said earlier. And like, just for example, okay, you know, my hair is usually curly and gray. You see the gray? It's usually curly. I straightened this, my hair on March 26th. Anybody who knows me knows my hair, you know, it goes curly, or it's straight. There's no in between. And I can go maybe 4 days with, you know, with it being straight, and then that's it. It's usually in a ponytail because I work out, I'm active and all that. And we're going on 3 weeks as of tomorrow. Yes, it's been 3 weeks since I last did my hair. Judge me. And it's still, you can see it's still straight. I've worked out on the elliptical. I worked out this morning doing my weights or whatever, and I'm not babying it or trying to preserve it because it's been so long. I got it done for a specific event, and it's been there, done that. So the only thing I thought about was I wonder if the biotin has helped. That was pretty much the only thing I could think of that could have helped maintain the luster, the longevity of the being it pressed out. All I know is that this is not normal for my hair. There's just no way that my hair, I usually last 3 weeks with, you know, doing whatever I do. But anyways, I just wanted to share it with you. I've showed it again on Instagram a couple times. It's just a little dropper. You put half a drop. I'm gonna do it again anyways, just because I'm greedy. Oops. That's it. Done. So I'll put the link below where I got it on Amazon, and let me know your results. Let me know what you thought about it. I know some of my friends take it and they said that their nails, you know, they've seen a lot of growth in their nails or their eyelashes. For me, nails definitely, eyelashes, no, I wish, but everyone is going to be different. This is just my journey and what works for me. So that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Hot, beautiful mess.